Welcome back everyone, we are now starting topic B of lesson 2. The Appearance tab and sections. Before we get started, I wanted to point out that if you ever want to preview your website, just head to the top menu bar, click the name, then click Visit Site. There isn't much here yet, but soon we will have an amazing website. To go back, click the name at the top, then click Dashboard to return. The appearance sections include themes, customize, widgets, menus, background and theme editor. Personally, it is very rare for me to use the background or theme editor tabs. Also, the widgets tab will disappear once we install our page builder Elementor. So, during this topic we will go over themes, customize, and menus. Let's start with the theme section. First, let's talk about, what is a theme? A WordPress theme is a collection of files that work together to produce a graphical interface with an underlying unifying design for a website. This makes it a little easier so you do not have to code your entire website with fonts, colors, and other common factors of your website's design. There are two types of themes: free and paid. Paid themes can be found all over the internet. You can find free themes right from WordPress very easily. Let me show you how. First, you will go to Appearance and then Themes. Then, if you click Add New, you can see the list of themes that WordPress offers for free. It has a pretty good system here for filtering out the kind of design you want that fits your business. Although many of these free themes are good and useful, we are going to be using a specific template that I highly suggest you use to follow along with this course. If you use a different theme, certain things may not work or coordinate properly with how we are setting up the website. Once you get more familiar with WordPress and how things work, you can always use a different template, but always know switching templates can sometimes break different parts of your website. For this course we are going to be using the Hello Elementor theme. Again, I suggest you use this theme while following along with this course. You can search for the theme here. Once you find it, click Install. Then, click Activate. Now that we have the theme activated, let's head to the Customize tab by clicking here. Now we are in the Customize section. To the right you can see a preview of what your website looks like. Don't worry, we will make it amazing soon. On the left you have a sidebar, which is very basic. First, we are going to click Site Identity. Here is where we are going to upload your logo to use throughout your website. Don't pay too much attention to the preview panel as it will all be edited later in the page builder. To add a logo, click Select Logo. To upload a file, click Upload Files, then, you can either drag and drop files into the box here, or click on Select Files and select your logo from your files. If you do not have a logo, check out one of my free videos, Free Logo Design Ideas. Once you have uploaded and selected your logo, you can also add a favicon logo by clicking Select Site icon here. Upload that now the same way you uploaded your logo before. Favicon logos are logos that are placed on browser tabs beside your website name, as you can see here. It may take a few days to upload properly on the internet, just in case you do not see it appear right away. Now, head back. We are going to do one more thing in Customize, and that is update the homepage settings. WordPress automatically programs this to show your first blog posts. We do not want that, so what we are going to do is change this to a static page. Now, you can set your homepage to the homepage we created earlier. Now, you can click Publish and exit out of the Customize section. Now, for the final part of this topic, we are going to talk about menus. To go to the menu section, click here. This is where we create different menus throughout our website. For now, we are just going to create our main menu. In the menu section, you may have some random default pages and articles pop up. Let's go ahead and delete those so that our website is clean. First, name your menu whatever you want here. I suggest you use something that is easy to recognize like Main Menu. Then, click Create Menu. To add pages to your menu, go to this sidebar and check the boxes of the pages you want to add. Then, click Add to Menu. Once you do that, you are going to want to look at the menu settings here, and click the box to make the display location as primary. After that, click Save Menu. That is it for Lesson 2, Topic B. See you in the next lesson.